Right now.
Dad! Here you go! Dad! Wait! Wait for me!
Okay. That's my change?
Yeah?
Alright, thank you.
One burger.
I thought you used a card. You swiped the card.
Pizza.
What kind of pizza is it?
One drink.
No, what kind of pizza are you selling?
It's a cheese pizza.
Oh, you want ice cream?
No, I don't want ice cream. I don't like ice cream.
Hot dog?
Hot dog?
Yeah.
That don't look like hot dog.
You. $5.
Oh, $5 for the hot dogs?
Yeah.
That's too expensive, man.
Here you go.
Thank you.
$5. Hey, thank you.
What you want, Lulu?
You want drink?
Oh.
You want pizza?
Okay. Lulu, what you want? Me say try somebody.
You don't sell vegetables?
Yeah, share the vegetable.
Which one you sell? Broccoli?
Broccoli. Yeah.
How
You
much?
don't. How much for the broccoli?
$3.
$3.
Everything $3?
Yeah, one ticket.
How about spinach? You don't sell spinach?
Yeah, that's
Stop talking to Bailado? Or maybe
It's the big
no?
store.
you can't eat the butter. You have to buy a pizza.
Oh, okay.
What's the name of the store?
My son.
What's the name of it?
You hot dog? You want hot dog?
No hot dog, thank you.
You can put it in ground bag.
Do you have cranberry?
Yeah.
Oh, stop talking to Bailado?
You have blueberry
Yeah, I got blueberry.
and strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry.
Okay.
I'm going to close it.
You
You gonna
about to
close it?
Yeah, close my store.
What time you close the store?
And like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. And then I open it. Then I can,
When you open?
I'm opening the store.
You open the store?
Yeah. Why want to get this one?
Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one.
What kind of drink is it?
Ginger. And the one juice.
Oh,
Oh,
ginger.
juice. Okay, ginger ale juice. Okay.
One black.
Oh,
The
wow.
clock. Oh, you're watching the clock to close?
Yeah, I said I watch TV.
Oh, what time
Okay.
you close?
I watch my TV.
What time do you close?
It's after the work. It's how the TV works at work.
Oh, wow.
Fine. I'm trying to get the others work. I saw my TV. I go see. I get kick.
Oh.
I go to church. I'm going to change it.
Okay, Mr. Businessman. Bye.
Giving you the burger. $5.
That burger get too expensive, man.
One drink.
Lulu,
They want broccoli and spinach.
One strawberry. One spaghetti.
oh,
Oh, there's spaghetti too?
Yes. One spaghetti. I make
This
it.
is not a store. This is a restaurant.
Yeah, I gotta make it. When you want to drink.
Lulu.
When I want to drink.
Are you a good customer, Lulu?
Lulu,
I'm a customer.
eu vou ficar feito o restaurant, vai ser o...
You want to see a burger?
So, Joe, can you close the store?
Yeah.
All right. You open tomorrow?
Yeah, open it.
Okay.
I'm driving.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Beep! Beep!
Vai buscar só com